They got some of these on deck, which aren't too bad. They also got the Prestos over here in the UNC colorway also. Couple things to check out, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Yeah, this location here has these. I thought I saw something else, but when I came, it wasn't what I thought it was. They do got the Mellow Ball lows in all three colorways here as well. On the New Balance side, look at this colorway. These are fire. Let me zoom in a little bit. So yeah, over here on the New Balance side, these ones are pretty dope. These purple ones, I think they are nice. Got a really nice suede on the upper. You guys will see in the B-roll. These are retailing for only 85 bucks. Then they got two colorways of the Kawhi's new shoe, and both of them are on sale. Normally 160, one is 99 bucks and one is 119. We've seen both of these before, and this is like a collab or something like that. Let me know what you guys think about these, bro, in the comment section below. Two colorways of the new Kawhi's, both of them on sale. And then they got some 550s in the black colorway with the white, normally 110. Thought that these would have sold out. People don't see the camera, so just don't worry about the people walking by because they don't see the camera. But yeah, I thought this black 550, I thought the 550s were selling, but I guess not, you know what I mean? This New Balance colorway is pretty clean too. Other than that, you know, nothing else really to write home here, man. It's really a different time in these sneaker stores where the hype stuff is getting moved to other stores like, you know, Nike itself, and then, you know, you'll see them at Dick's Sporting Goods. Shoe Palace might still not have that problem in stores like that, but it's very interesting times right now. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, it's pretty crowded in here, as you can see. We did check out everything that is to check out here, so let's go check out the next store, you dig? Yeah, so there wasn't much in there at all, man. Times are definitely changing in the sneaker world, bro. I haven't seen anything. I only seen them at Shoe Palace, but the flex stores, nada. Let's go ahead and check out and see what's going on here at JD Sports. Might have turned that camera a little too soon, but let's go see if it's looking any better here at JD Sports. If you guys come right here to the Heat area, they got a couple things right there which we'll check out, some dunks and some mids. We'll come back and check that out when they're done looking at them. But they got some pretty good stuff, I guess, as far as that's concerned. Let's go check out the register because sometimes they have the Heat at the register first. So we'll just go ahead and look around at the register first and then come back to see if there's anything else. Only got mids up there. Ain't nothing too crazy today, bro. Definitely situation's different, bro. I got these dunks. I'm like buying ones right there. Got these. Got these on deck too. 11s, pretty clean, pretty clean. And there really is not too much heat. These mids are cool. No resale value to them, so people just leave them there, bro. This is a pretty cool time. This is one time when people can actually shop for what they want. If they want to see some shoes, they can come and scoop them up now because there's no resale value, so the people who don't really want the shoes don't come and get them. What do you guys think, man? Pretty good selection right here. They got these Chicago Bulls jerseys, like for the ladies, these Mitchell & Nesses for $125. It's a Pippen one. I like the detail on them. These are something new that they're doing here at JD Sports, I guess. They got some shorts to match them too. Then they got the Laker kind of style ones, which are pretty clean. The shorts here, along with the jerseys for Shaq. Pretty clean situation here, man. So as far as this store is concerned, the best stuff that you might find is in the grade school section, which is crazy, right? We got these mustard Jordan 1 lows, which I think are pretty cool. Got the gum outsole and some pretty good materials like the suede. And then you got the canvas, which some people like, some people don't like. Then you got these Jordan 1 lows, which are not too bad either. Out of the two, which one you guys prefer? I think definitely the orange ones are better. 1 to 10 scale, what do y'all think about these? They got these in a lot of dope colorways too. 110 on the retail, cop pass, fire, or trash. We got them in the black and white colorway too, which is also pretty dope. Not mad at these at all. 1 to 10 scale, what do you think? Maroon ones, we checked them out before. 1 to 10 scale, what do y'all think about these? I think this colorway is actually pretty fire, bro. Got the maroon on there too. Let me know your thoughts on these in the comment section below. Pretty clean too. Let me know what you guys think, man. I like the color combination. They're definitely hitting on camera though, for real. Prism Pink Dunk Lows. We definitely seen the Prism Pink Dunk Lows before. Let me know what y'all think about these. The Shadows, which are pretty dope too. Shadow 2.0s. I think these are pretty clean. Let me know your thoughts. Seeing these on running in more and more colorways, that's starting to look pretty appealing to me, man. Price point is crazy, but they're really good for running and moving around. What do you guys think about these in the comments below? And so we stopped by Shoe Palace in Sherman Oaks just to see what they had on deck. This is my first time seeing this here at this location. They got the inside out mids. Now, this colorway is pretty dope, man. I'm not even mad at it. Definitely seen them in low tops before. First time seeing these in adult sizes and in large sizes. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Definitely one of them dope colorways, and I like the quality on here. Let me know your thoughts. They also have these here too, which are super dope. Both of those colorways for those Air Maxes and Nikes are dope. They also have these on deck, which I have not seen yet. This is a Kyrie Infinity colorway I have yet to see in adult sizes. Definitely saw this in grade school sizes before, but first time catching these in adult. I think they are pretty fire though. 1 to 10 scale. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? They got a pretty good selection of Kyrie Infinities. They got these, they got those, they got the 1111s, and Fire and Ices. Pretty dope. So we got Nike. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. I already feel like it's going to be a lot more people in here than it normally has been lately just because more people are outside. Let's see if there's anything in here worthwhile. Any good returns? Anything restocking? Let's go ahead and see. We won't know until we get inside the store. Some USA merch. USA jacket, pretty dope over here. Oh, so they got these. I forget the lady's name. You guys can let me know her name. We definitely did a review on these or talked about them for upcoming releases. Now they're out. 1 to 10 scale. What do you guys think about those? They got some heritages. Those as well. Fire for those. Comforts also. Not too bad. Then they got these. This color combination on these is not bad either for some running shoes. Women's React Escape. What do you guys think? They're pretty fire too as well. Nothing else really going on. They got some fours. So let's go ahead and see what's going on over here for the men's section if there was anything that stood out. So they got a couple mids. They got 11 lows. Things that we've seen at all the other stores. Nothing new here. They got these mids. They got these Air Force Ones, which are pretty cool with the good material on here. Then they got some, you see what this is. Pretty dope selection for a shoe right here. On deck, 200 on the retail. As well as these mids. They got some Green Bean 5s. This might be returns, actually. You know what I mean? They've been doing that lately. They just been putting the returns on the shelf. Pretty dope. Other than that, everything else you've seen here is something that we've seen already. Definitely think we even seen this before with the colorway is clean, the materials look fire. Nothing else, man. That's kind of gonna wrap it up. I like these Armory navies though. And these Armory navies do have a little resale depending on your platform. But what do you think about these? This colorway is fire of these waffle ones. I like this black, white, and gray colorway, kind of like a Raiders vibe. What do you think about those in the comment section below? So it's like the sign of times right now, bro. It's not many things going on in some of these stores. I mean, this is a Nike. They did have more Jordans here. Well, not more Jordans than anywhere else we've seen, but as far as the flex stores, they did have a better selection. I think some of those things were returns, but we never know. I'm not for sure, but I think they were returns. Other than that, it's been kind of a chill day. There are some dope shoes out, but as far as like the hype shoes, those are like in circulation and being moved to other locations, and maybe we just didn't see too much here. But overall, let me know what you guys think about the video. It's your boy, Bossco Mitchell. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow my Discord. Follow me on IG. All the support is appreciated. I'm about to get out of here. Have a great day. Deuces.